What is the DOM and how can we use JavaScript to interact with it? In this video, we will explore these concepts and understand the basics of manipulating web page elements. Let's dive in and see how it all works right now. What is the DOM? Imagine a web page as a house with rooms and furniture. The DOM is like a blueprint or map of that house. It helps JavaScript understand and interact with elements of a web page, such as text, images, buttons, and forms. In the DOM, everything on a web page becomes an object. Each element, like a heading or paragraph, and even the attributes like class, becomes an object. How does the DOM work? The browser creates a tree-like structure in its memory where each HTML element becomes a node. JavaScript can talk to the DOM and ask for specific elements. For example, it can say, "Hey DOM, can you give me the heading with the ID main heading?" So here are the most common methods for accessing DOM elements. Number 1, getElementById. Number 2, getElementsByClassName. Number 3, getElementsByTagName. Number 4, querySelector. And number 5, querySelector all. GetElementById. This method allows you to select a single element by its unique ID attribute. Since ID values must be unique within a document, this method always returns one element or null if no element matches the provided ID. GetElementsByClassName. This method returns a collection of elements that have the specified class name. If there are no elements with the given class, an empty collection will be returned. GetElementsByTagName. This method returns a collection of elements that have the specified tag name. If there are no elements with the given tag, an empty collection will be returned. querySelector is a method that selects the first element matching a CSS-like selector and returns it, or null if no match is found. querySelector all returns a node list with all elements that match the given selector, allowing for iteration using methods like forEach. And that was all about the DOM and how can we use JavaScript to interact with its elements. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you again in the future.